Hi, my name is Sarai Gaspar and I'll be using Screen-O-Matic for this week's UDLRA technology. The prompt for this UDLRA is: what instructional resources does the observed teacher use in a classroom? Explain and identify 3 websites that address issues in education, etc., etc. Going over the first part of the prompt 9A, what technology is used in a classroom? The technology used in a classroom are laptops. Students use laptops to take um, quizzes, exams, and assessments. The assessments, they fill it out both on laptops and on a worksheet. They also use laptops. They have like a digital notebook that they use during math. There's a smartboard, projector, timer in front of the classroom. The teacher uses this timer. For example, if he says you guys have 6 minutes to complete this assignment, he starts the timer in front of the classroom, and the students can look at the timer and see how much time they have left and guide and pace themselves, and the timer beeps when the time is over. There's microphones for the students and teacher. There's this ball that has like a microphone inside that the teacher uses for classroom discussions or classroom presentations of problems. This ball is very helpful for students who don't have a loud voice or who aren't comfortable with their voice yet being loud or sharing. It facilitates their them talking in class and group discussion. The kids seem to like this microphone, and it engages them in group discussions. And there's one for the teacher as well. His voice is loud and clear using this microphone. There's printers. One prints paper, and there's one that prints objects. Instructional resources are quizzes, assessments, and exams, textbooks, workbooks. The textbooks and workbooks aren't used as much as the laptops. There's applications such as Prodigy that the students seem to enjoy. Part B9 of the prompt: identify 3 websites that address issues in education. 3 websites that I found were Education Week, National Education Association, and Education Next. The current focus for Education Week was DACA, Gifted Education, Technology, Personalized Learning. The current focus for National Education Association was Human and Civil Rights, Education Funding, ESSA Implementation, College Affordability and Debt Services. Education Next featured SAT and field trips trending, private colleges, the case of homework. I did this Venn diagram that showed what they kind of shared together. All three of them had blogs, images, and subheadings on their website. Where they differed was in National Education Association. Their website was more of a listed. They listed their issues like in a long list. It wasn't. I mean, there was like a few images, but not as much as Education Next or Education Week. They did have a subheading where you could click and see some blogs. In Education Next, it looked more like a newsletter. It uses language of newsletters, such as trending and featured what you see in a newsletter. In Education Week, there were archived issues for every week, so you could click on the week and see what the issues were focused on that week. And so the issues changed depending on the week. That's my UDLA for this week.